change it to 4K 120 HDR, I get this. It's green. It's all green. What the heck, VIZIO? What is up, Techno fam? Chana D, your Techno Dad here. Hope everybody had a good weekend. And yeah, I definitely did, because my PS5 finally got fixed and it's back from Sony. So that was cool. It just took a while. But you know, I have my Series X, so not that big of a deal. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe up, hit the like button and the bell so you get notified when the next videos are released. Now, before I begin, I want to give a big shout out and thank you to all my patrons on Patreon. We had a whole bunch of you sign up last month, and this month just a few, but hey, you know, still just kind of like the start of the month. And I know you guys are all loving those Dolby Atmos demo files. And this month I also added the IMAX Enhanced demo files. And in the coming months, I've got 4 demo discs from DTS:X 2017 to 2020. So I'll be uploading those files for all my patrons at the $5 level. So if you have been searching around for those demo discs and just can't find them, I have them all. So yeah, make sure you click the link down in the description and become a patron today. All right, so why did my screen turn green? I have no idea, no freaking idea. But guess what? After that whole green situation, I reset the TV, I reset the PlayStation 5, and then everything worked. So not sure why I got all that green stuff, but I actually tried playing a game like multiplayer in that, like, it's like black, white with a little hints of green here and there. Man, it was so hard. I could not see anybody at all. I saw a little thing moving and I just couldn't, you know, because there's no color, I just couldn't see, and I was just getting killed left and right. It sucked. So at least that green nonsense didn't happen all the time. So first things first, let's check out which firmware version I have for the VIZIO OLED. So if we go into menu, then into admin, and then system information, we can see a lot of information about the TV. Firmware version is 5.10.15.11-1. Now we can also see the resolution, which is 3840 by 2160. This is what we want. This is 4K. We can see that HDR is on, and we can see that VRR is off, and we can see the incoming frame rate at 60 and then the FreeSync frame rate at 120. We can go into the graphics options of Call of Duty and see that 120 Hertz is disabled. Now, if you guys don't know how to enable this, let's just run through that real quick. We want to go to the home screen, then we want to go to the cog icon, then go to save data and game app settings. And now we want to set it to performance mode right here. And that's it. Now, since Call of Duty was already running, we need to reset the game. So you can use the switcher, you can do a few other things. I like to just jump into Astro Boy and then jump back into Call of Duty, and then everything should be good to go. Call of Duty is now loaded up. Let's go back into system information. And as we can see here on the incoming frame rate, the TV is seeing 120 frames per second. We can go into the settings menu under graphics in Call of Duty and verify, yes, that 120 is enabled. And coincidentally, you'll notice that ray tracing is disabled at the same time. So there's another little note to tell you that you are getting 4K 120 and HDR. Now you're probably wondering, why are you making this video, Techno Dad? Wasn't this already done? Actually, it wasn't, because back when I got this TV, the PS5 was not working properly with the TV 4K 120 Hz HDR. So now it is, and I've only been able to test it because my PS5 finally got fixed. So I'm thankful for that. And yeah, there's gonna be some more PS5 videos coming up, since now I've had this content that I've wanted to make, and I just haven't had the time to make it because the thing's been broken. So at least it's here, and I got a new one. I'm pretty sure I got a new one. That's cool. Well, that's pretty much it. If you want to see some 4K 120 Hz gaming, I went ahead and played one game of Call of Duty, and I will play that, and that's going to kind of end the video now. But I mean, you know, it'll just keep playing. So enjoy that, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.